A key innovation is IMAGINiT Pulse, a data integration platform that seamlessly connects disparate business systems and automates workflows to dramatically improve operations. IMAGINiT Pulse offers two solutions: a ready-made application to integrate common business software tailored to your company's workflows, and for more complex environments, our developers can create custom Plus connectors that facilitate the seamless exchange of data between existing applications. This approach ensures your specific needs are met while maintaining data consistency. IMAGINiT Pulse is just one example. Our team aligns technology to help you achieve your business objectives. Lean on us for design and process automation, configure-to-order capabilities, CAD system enhancements, and integrating business systems with CAD. Leverage IMAGINiT expertise to integrate your business systems.